Right, back playing with Dick's bleeding car, and it's Tech Fly nitty gritty jam hot in here today. It's roasted, so I'm not staying in here too long because I've got no air conditioning. What I want to get done though is, so there's some holes in the inner wing that shouldn't be there. They were small, I've just drilled them out a little bit, and that one there, I think there used to be a cable came through there from somewhere. But yeah, I want to fill these holes in, and what I'll do is I shall cut some little tiny discs and just tack them in and then weld round and grind them off so you can't see them. Then I've got to clean all that, same as I did the other side. That side all looks splendid still. And then I'm going to take a template of the other side, so this side will be identical then. So I'll just get a bit of paper, wrap it around there, and that'll give me the same shape as the other side, and then clean all in here. So once that's all clean, then I can get all this paint off, get my hammer out and just tap around there a little bit just to make sure it's all straight, and then a little skim of filler and get that primed as well. And then it's the front panel and the firewall. Again, there's holes in there that have got to disappear. These three here, I've just made them into 20mm holes because they were small enough just for a rubber hose to go through. Not a very good idea of hoses going through steel like that, because they'll wear through, especially when they do brakes, you know. So these are brakes and clutch lines used to go through there. And then these two holes here, I haven't got a clue what they were from, but I may fill those in unless I can remember what they were for. And if I can remember what they were for, I won't bleed and fill them in. So then, anyway, a couple more things on there to go. The old used to be a clutch cable when it was a normal Escort, so I'll get rid of that big lump of crap there and fill that hole in. And there's a hole over that side to fill in. But I think this used to have a Cosy engine in it, and that was the Cosy wiring loom went through there. Made a lovely job of making a hole in it. I think they used a fucking chisel or something. Anyway, we'll get rid of that as well. And here, give that a final clean up, and then most of the front will be in primer. Probably not today, but you know, next week. And then I'll just work my way back and get it all in primer. And the intention is with this thing is once it's all done, so in the inner arch there, I want to leave it like that, so it looks like factory, no underseal and crap on it. I'll probably put some stone chip up in the top of the wings and in the fronts, but where you're seeing where the wheel goes, it'll be nice to see nice shiny white, and the same underneath. So when we come to do the floor, again that'll be hopefully with a bit of work as shiny as the top. No underseal, no rubbish, so you can actually see what the car's made of. That's the intention anyway. So what I've got here is just a little bit of an off-cut of steel, and I shall chuck that inside there. Let's just draw around there. And now I've got 4 things to cut out. Just get a pair of tin snips, cut that out, and weld them in. Or maybe my bench here.
We love the 90s till now. We love it building too. It's a song Love Me Like You Do. Almost 3 o'clock.
There's my little disky things, so I'll just clean them up a little bit and then weld them in. Alright, so now we've got little discs on a magnet. And stick it on the back. And get some more magnets, bigger ones.
Having spent 7 hours, 19 minutes and 15 seconds in the surf. The youngest person to have ever swum Cook Strait is an Indian boy, Aditya Ruff, who was 11 at the time of his swim.
Bleeding ouch.
The Conservation Minister Maggie Barry says New Zealand's approach to innovative technologies will take a long-term view to improve sustainability. She and the Environment Minister Nick Smith released the government's new Conservation and Environment Science Roadmap today. The document sets out conservation and environment science priorities for the next
So that's those 4 welded. There's another one, another bigger one. I just got to find me a bit of metal. There it is. Another little template. Now that hole's filled as well, I get on with my best going out thing I love, grinding. Right, now those holes are filled in and ground off. I've just got rid of that big lump of turd where the clutch cable used to go through. Looks like someone had put it in there themselves and had held it in with body filler. Never seen that before, but pretty smart, so I can do the same with that. I won't do that today. I think I'll concentrate on the rest of the front. And now I'm going to play with this bit here, so I'll get that bit underway. Right, that's all the clean holes and metalwork done on this side. So now just got to clean it all up, get all the old shitty paint off and all the surface rust, prep it, and then that can have a coat of primer, and that'd be another bloody side done, isn't it? Onwards and upwards, mate. Onwards and leading upwards. So I think it's time for a nice bleeding cold beer before I start doing this. I've been using my orbital sander, this bloody DA thing, getting this paint off, but compressors can't keep up with it because it's cheap Japanese or Chinese rubbish. But what I've just done is I had another old DA which had shut itself a long time ago. I've stripped it down and I've just made a little adapter up for me buffer. So I'm going to try that and see if that works any better. It'll be a bloody sight quieter anyway, because that thing's noisy as. So I'm going to try that, see what that goes like. I will use my mask because the dust is horrible, it gets down about your throat. Well, that's bleeding quicker. And one disc. Go over it with the Scotch tape just to take the roughness off it, and then see if we can get it flat. Got a bit still to tap in, but not too bad. Oh, bloody marvellous. think I've missed a bit. I thought it was recording and it weren't. But tough shit. I'm just going to put some body filler. Top of its wing, it's a bit, a little tiny ripple in it. And then on the side where I've done a little bit there, just to give a little final fettle. Shut this on. Used to get this done at a garage, probably cost about £100, apparently, according to Red China. Probably where people have been leaning on it over the years. Lean elbows on it. It's a really thin coat though, so. And that bit's gone off. Cock and balls. Let that dry, sand that bit off, see how we look.